Yeah. The GoPro, man, because you use your Element app on your GoPro. See, mine, I use that, do that, it uploads to all three of them. Even if I didn't, it'll upload, like I got it on the phone. I mean, it's actually on the phone, but I mean, yeah. But yeah, it's three of them I use, release, travel, and that one, yeah. Speed and all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? I'm just for the music. We wrote all us wrote together, y'all with that to GoPro. Yeah, when we first met, you said, hey, you got a GoPro too. Yeah, oh yeah.
Double 7, Marty Marr.